Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is going to be a short tutorial about BEM execution plan. Okay, this is very important while going to model about any project in BEM. Okay, so I recommend you that if you have not watched my first video about ISO standard, then go and watch firstly, then this tutorial will be clear. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go about BEM execution plan. See, the BEM execution plan. A BEM execution plan, or BEP, we called in short BEP, is a roadmap that explains how BEM will be used on a project from start to finish. Okay, it means it defines who does what and when BEM tasks are done. Okay, and how models are created, shared and coordinated. Okay, so in this document everything is explained. Okay, so in short, this is the content in BEM execution plan. Firstly is project information. In this project information, every detail is given about the project. Okay, like general project information, project brief, project stakeholder, that who is involved in our project. Okay, about contractors, consultant, client, whatever, and proposed project team, organizational chart. Okay, so in project information this 5 point is explained and given. The second is project standard. Okay, that which standard I have to follow, ISO 19650 or PAS 1192, but ISO 1950 is follow in BEM. Okay, so project standard it is given, and the third one is role and responsibilities. Okay, who does what, and fourth is model segregation strategy, how to we have to segregate the model while share with the client or consultant. Okay, so in 5 is common data environment. This is CDE. Okay, so a cloud based or a storage is provided. Okay, like BEM 360 or Autodesk construction cloud, ACC. Okay, that is commonly called common data environment, where everyone can take the data whatever needs. Okay, from anywhere. That's why it is called cloud based data. So common data environment. About BEM usage. Okay, the 7 is level of information need, LOIN. Okay, so which information we have to share. Okay, the 8 is technical. Okay, the 8 is technical. In technical, see, in technical it is mentioned about hardware and specification. The 2 is modeling, third one is drawing production, fourth is information container size, and fifth is information container naming, 6 object naming, workset naming, units, model coordination, tolerance and clearance strategy, and 11 is class matrix. Okay, so in technical content, everything is in explained in BEM execution plan. Okay, that how I have to save the file, what name I have to mention, okay, and which unit I have to follow, like metric or imperial, and how I have to coordinate, and tolerance, how much I have to give the clearance around the element. Okay, and after that class matrix, how I have to do the classes in Navisworks or okay or ACC. Okay, so the ninth is information quality, and 10th is meeting a schedule. Okay, so this 10 point is mostly explained in BEM execution plan. It could be more, but this is 10 is generally we follow, and it is important. So this point is given in BEM execution plan. So I hope you understand something about the BEM execution plan. Okay, and I will also share this on my Facebook page. So if you have not followed my Facebook page, then follow. Okay, and you can download this from there. Okay, so thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.